Hi, welcome to the Beepers Guide. My name is Graham and today we're going to be talking about the T18 and how to change the power settings from low to medium to high. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with further videos. So let's head down to the table now and have a look at the Innokin T18 and show you how to change the power settings. Here we have the Innokin T18-2. If I press the power button, you can see that it's on. The first light comes on, followed by 3 flashing lights. The first light by 3 flashing lights means that it's on the low power setting. So if I want to get it onto the medium power setting, I first must turn the T18 off. To do that, I press this power button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I press the button, you'll see that nothing happens and it's switched off. So I keep my finger on the middle power button and you can now see the lights cycling between low, medium, high, low, medium. Take my finger off when the middle light is selected, and when I do that and then put my finger back on the power button, you'll see that nothing happens. This means that it has been switched over to the medium power setting, but the Innokin T18 is now off. I must press the power button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's now back on again. Now if I press the button, the middle light will light up, followed by 3 flashing lights. So there's the middle and then 3 flashing lights. So once again, to go from the middle to the high, we can see currently that the device is on. I need to click and turn it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I press the button, you'll see nothing is happening. That means that the Innokin is switched off. If I press and hold the button until it cycles through high, low, medium, high, release, like so. Now if I press the button, you'll see nothing's happening. That means it's off. So I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to turn it back on. Now if I press the button, you see this end button lit up, followed by 3 lights. So then one final time, you'll see it's on because the lights are flashing. So turn it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press the button, you see nothing's happening. Press and hold, and then you'll see it's cycling through the 3 power settings. Once again, low, medium, high. We want it in low, so we'll leave it in low till the light goes out. Press the button, you see that it is indeed off. Switch it back on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then just to confirm that it is in the low setting, press it once. You see the first light comes on, followed by 3 flashing lights. And it's as simple as that. So there you have it. Now you know how to change the power settings on the Innokin T18. In a previous video we did how to change the Innokin T18 coil. If you want to refer to that, if you just go up to the card in the corner here, there's a link. It will take you straight to that video. I do hope that you found this content useful, and don't forget to give us a like, share this video, and do subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with forthcoming videos. If you have any comments, please do leave them in the comment section below, or if you have any ideas for videos, please do drop us a note in the comment section as well. Until next week, may all your clouds be full of flavour.